Okay, hello. Am I live? I think so. I think that I'm live. Let me see the quality real quick. Feels fine. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Now want to make the event system for my library because I have found very interesting behavior. So if we get the window with the OpenGL triangle, but when we resize it, its behavior, this behavior is very unusual, I would say. Like look at this. I don't know what's happening, but I think it's because we are making too much calls on the drawing, on the draw part, and it's overloading the graphics API. So uh, I thought about it a little how to solve this problem, and I think I'm going to make a solution to implement polling, like proper polling of the events. So how does this gonna work? We're going to go to Window at the the header file, and for backend X11, I want to do polling. So I'm gonna include poll.h, and I basically want to fd, and I want to make this I think poll is a better not name for it. So basically, so when we are starting the window, I want to initialize on the backend. I want to get the so on X11 and poll fd, I want to get the xd get connection fd x11 connect. How can I access the okay, how can I access the x11 connection? Connection fd. Okay, xcb get file descriptor, and then we pass x11 connection, and then x11 poll event. Okay, so unix poll. Actually, let me consult the demand for poll. Okay. So I think it's polling. Let me consult Claude because I actually asked Claude about the event structure. Why logged out of everything? Okay, I'm not gonna ask Claude. So, uh, for the poll events, I want to. So if I remember, I need to when treating the events uh, here. So we basically we want to uh, pull file descriptor. So I want to consult the XCB library again, the XCB API. And I want to need this. Give me this. Okay. Then XCB API. I want to find something that works with FD. Nothing. Okay. Batch FD request. Hmm. All for queue event. I mean, it should already be polling. Maybe there's no need for doing that. Maybe. So what we can do here instead? Hmm. Hmm. Actually don't know that much. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, maybe I want to declare a variable called trigger resize. We set this to 1 and then we check to resize doing resize alias the passive renderer and the event. And see, and then go, no, not go. Media build here we it's broken. I mean, I know why. I know why, because the event's not an event window. That's why it doesn't resize. I'm kind of stupid. Actually, let me log into Cloak to see what it did. Mm, yes. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Uh, here, I think. So it recommended doing this. So we start if it needs render, and we start the latest width and the latest height. We keep the vsync on, which is already set. And then on the, we need to drain all the events. And when we drain all the events, we render the stuff. Also, it's doing polling also. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. I mean, polling, BFD, let's see. Okay, so maybe I want to get to do polling. Actually, I see how it But the polling is not for the events. The events are already polling. It is for the library itself. I see. Okay. So it's set here. I need to get back here. And then okay. So wait. So the connect level, top level. I kind of also want to do the same thing for the structure backend X11. Top level backend type. Backend is struct. Also, it's a pointer class. No, it's not. Top level backend data. So for the backend, we now need to pull PFD I mean backend so it's basically polling. Okay, so we are going to change the main to be stop instead of redrawing here. If needs render, we put this. We now put this here, and then we set needs render equals 1. Then we'll is this valid C? Okay, I think it's valid C89. Needs render, then needs render equals 1. If we need to resize, it resizes, yada yada yada. Okay, so I'm very skeptical that this will solve. It is literally the same thing. Oh yeah, we forgot to Top level ball. Top level. Why? Okay. It failed. Probably because of the window. Where it is? Oh, I forgot to save. Oh, it failed. Where it's failing? Oh, not this function. Wait for event. And then okay, it failed. What's failing? Oops. Okay. It didn't do anything. It's still with the white, annoying white background. Why it's behaving like this? Hmm. I mean, I think I just want to resize it before. I think it needs to resize it before. So this is not an issue because I can always do something like this. Width equals event data window width and then height. Then here and here we just into width int height. Into width int height. Have I? No. Oh, it's on renderer. Okay, done. Into width in height. Width I mean, renderer width and height. Does this will help? No. Okay. It didn't help anything. Okay. So actually, why didn't do anything? Because we are still processing the events. So I want to put this everything inside, and this needs to be outside the event polling. Actually, and then and talking about this, I think I want uh, to make it close correctly. Close. Okay. Handle window closing. Okay. Mm, focus, max button press, release, motion. No. Hmm. Window, the values. WM protocols. WM protocols. So I really need these. So I need this bit of code in the on the back end, I guess. Okay, so I need to register the atom. I see. WM delete window. This is more. Okay. Okay, and then I put this line, but I need to start the. What the fuck is this? Okay. Let me exclude. This is getting too complex. Hello, Maotti. Okay, I need to register for the WM delete window protocol. Okay, and it is atom. I see. So it's not only Wayland that has protocol PS. So, I'm gonna do that. It is. Oh, WM delete window. And I just get the atom. Oh, I see. This function seems way easier. So we can just get the atoms like this. Instead of doing the request response like this, we can just x11 wm delete window and add oh, get atom, and then we pass the x11 connection and the atom we want to query, which is WM protocols, the first one. Delete window and then WM protocols and WM delete window. It's just atom. XCB atom D. What is an atom? It's just a number. I mean, WM protocols. Then we run the function to register for the close event in the window. Okay. So on the window, after creating the window, we do XCP change property, and then we pass the X11 backend connection. We pass the mode. Okay, XCP prop mode. We replace the window. We pass the backend WM protocols, XCP atom, and 32. What? Oh, it's mode, but oh wait, There's handle client message events. Okay. Also, we basically need to do this casting to the write event. Then we just event by GUI event top level event quit. Okay. Okay, and then we go to the main and we treat the case, for quitting, and break uh, should close equal 1. And then it's just gonna clean up everything. Okay. Something not working? What happened? Okay, while. Oh wait, it's always. Okay, so we need to change this. And it's different than mapping. Still not working. It's getting stuck here. It's always returns 0. But I want to get the actual event value. So yeah, I need to also change this function. Else event I equals void level event nothing. Okay, still nothing happening. Why is nothing happening. What, what I need to do? What am I missing? If it's, I mean, if it's no, if it's no, if it's no, it doesn't do nothing. So it's gonna do nothing. I mean, I mean, I'm, I'm kind of dumb. Of course, it's nothing. Of course, it's nothing. It's not even running the loop. Rookie mistake. So it's just reprocessing the same event again and again and again and again and again and again. Okay. Uh, I'm actually gonna do something like this. I'm gonna put the polling here, and if it's the nothing, it's just gonna, I'm gonna put a label on the loop and just say break event loop. Uh, I'll put, wait, say break on label. Oh, and just use go to, my favorite feature of C. My favorite feature of C, go tos. And still not working. Why not work? Event nothing. It does nothing. Print F best. Hmm. Nothing. I think it's never. Okay. Okay, I found the problem. Oh! Huh! It works! Huh! It's, I mean, it's kind of finicky, but it is way better than it was before. Not laggy anymore. Finally. Nice. I mean, it's kinda janky. I don't really like it. And we also still not closing. Should close. Okay, the event's not firing. What is happening? Okay, what is happening? XCB client message. Should I? Client message. Okay. So what happened? Receiving an event, but this event is not WM delete window. So I actually want to print beacons. Uh, oh my god. No, it's the wrong event. What is happening? Window destroyed. Okay, I'm just gonna throw the files to. What I do? What should I do? Oh, oh yeah, of course. Of course, of course, of course. It... Okay, printers should close. Okay, crash again. Okay, let me change the stuff here to not use go-tos. Init. Oh, it's crashing there. No, no, not there. There. Here. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. It's so much smoother. I mean, it's kind of janky. Can I change? Uh, Send gifts to Claude. Okay, I recorded this, and then I send a video file. Okay, it sees the video. Wow. Oh, I see. So there's a lot of these configure notify. Okay, if I change to 1ms, will it be better? We are basically polling 1,000 times per second, so I think it will be smoother. Ooh, I mean, it's still janky, but I like it. I like it. I think Wayland would be maybe more smooth. I don't know. I can't be sure. I mean, I already enabled this. Okay, only wait if it has events. Okay, this is, I mean, in another string, I would need to ab abstract this stuff. If it doesn't has events, we are going to wait. Okay. I mean, maybe it's better. There's still some flaking. I mean, maybe this is just X11. uh, event driven only. Hmm. I mean, it is smoother. Yeah, I think it's way smoother. Okay, so I'm kinda hungry. I want to take a little break. I want a little break. So I'm going to make some dinner and then